Florist Website Templates with Divi. We have two fantastic templates to showcase. One is a premium choice and the other is available for free. Let's find out which one suits your floral business best. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Let's begin with our first template from the Divi Marketplace. This elegant florist website template is affordably priced at just $8. Now let's click on the live demo to view its design. Here is the impressive hero section, designed to captivate visitors at first glance. Its vibrant, image-rich presentation effortlessly conveys the beauty and spirit of your floral business. The About Us section charmingly introduces your story and passion for flowers. It helps cultivate trust and connection with potential clients. In the Our Flowers section, the design elegantly showcases the variety of flowers you offer, highlighting key details and beauty that entice customers. The Our Pricing section is neatly organized, providing transparency and clarity on your services and products, making it easy for customers to make purchasing decisions. The Contact Us section includes a user-friendly form, enabling clients to reach out swiftly. Complementing this is the footer, rounding off the site with necessary contact information. Now, let's explore a fantastic free template included with the Divi theme once downloaded and installed. Starting with a captivating hero section, it sets the stage with beautifully arranged flowers and a welcoming message. The Our Specialties section highlights your unique offerings, showcasing your niche and drawing in customers with specific floral needs. The Featured Product section stands out, displaying top-selling flowers to grab attention and boost sales. In the Custom Bouquets section, clients can easily personalize orders through a simple form, enhancing their shopping experience with tailored floral arrangements. Finally, the Footer section includes a Contact Us form, allowing seamless communication. It's an inviting and convenient way for customers to connect with you for orders or inquiries. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.